Experiencing a blockage in your water heater chimney? Adam Chimney's professional liner installation service clears blockages and prevents buildup, ensuring safe ventilation and optimal performance for your water heater. Our durable stainless steel liners are installed from the top, designed to handle moisture and resist corrosion. Protect your home from dangerous backdrafts and improve efficiency with expert service from Adam Chimney. Call 720-207-9232 today.
With liners installed from the top so neat, we'll clear the way for cozy heat. Call Adam Chimney, we're the team to trust. For safe, warm homes, it's a must. From water heater to fireplace glow, we'll line it up and let one feet. Call Adam Chimney, we're the team to trust. For safe, warm homes, it's a must. From water heater to fireplace glow, we'll line it up and let one flow.